first part. Okay, and again we have notes B flat, A, E, E flat, and F. Again we have 3 minor notes in that whole sequence. So we do a slide from B10 to 11, back to B10, then B8, then we go to G9, to G8, and then a hammer on to G9, back to B8. And then, so full bend on B10, and then release, and then a pull off from 10 to 8. Then D10, then a hammer on from D8 to D9, back to B8. Part 2 of lick 2. These are all major notes this time, and then we'll have a slide to the G chord. Right? Open G on the 12th fret is also G, an octave higher. Okay? So we're just gonna hit those 3 bottom notes. So we're gonna do a bend, half bend on the G3, and then open all 3 strings and below, bend, open twice, bend, open twice, bend, open once. And then immediately a slide. And then hold that, okay?